Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're unboxing one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes. This box actually made it onto my 2024 list of boxes to look into if you're looking for an all makeup subscription box. So we're unboxing none other than the Chic beauty box. And check this out, we not only have the box in here, but it feels like there is a palette underneath of it as well. So very excited this month. We're gonna go ahead and get started and check it all out. If you guys are interested in purchasing the Chic Beauty subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you. This is a bi-monthly beauty box where you will receive it every other month, and this will feature only makeup inside of it. That's one of the best things about this box is they only focus on makeup, and I just feel like nobody else is really doing this. There are a few that are doing all makeup boxes, but there's not a lot on the market anymore. So this is one that I really recommend. They put great beauty products in here and it's great makeup, and I always just really enjoy this one. Also, real quick, if you guys are interested in anything that I am wearing today, I do have a few links that I can share with you. So for starters, I am wearing a necklace today from Lincoln. Lincoln hand makes all of his jewelry, and it has got stained glass set inside of it. So this pendant is absolutely gorgeous. His business name is Arkwood Jewelry. I did do an unboxing video a few months ago, but I'm going to post his website down below if you guys want to visit. The earrings that I am wearing are brass earrings, and they're actually from a subscription box called Heavenly Blue. I do believe she still has some of these earrings available, so you can reach out to her if you're interested. I am additionally wearing rings today from Ana Luisa. I've got my snake ring on. You guys know this is my favorite ring ever. I just absolutely love it. We're also doing some green stretchy bracelets. These came from the Shabby Lane T-shirt of the month subscription. She will include a free gift every month, and that is where I got these ones from. For my eyeshadow look today, I went with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 1 palette today. I basically worked with all of the oranges and greens in that palette to create this look. So that is everything that I am wearing today. Oh, it's definitely a palette. I could feel it. It was sitting like this, and I knew. So this is the Chic beauty box, and occasionally there are so many items they can't get it all to fit inside of the box, but this month we not only have this bunch of goodies, but we got a little palette over here. Okay, we're gonna leave that for last. If you take a photo of your box or a video and post it on your social media platform, they will repost your content and give you $20 towards your Chic beauty box account. That is a lot. Now you will need to not only take the photo or video, but include their hashtags. That way they can find your content. So if you do this, they're gonna basically give you a $20 gift card towards your account, which would be good in their shop or towards the next box. First item inside of our box is from Physicians Formula, and it is the Rosé All Day Multi-Use Highlighter. Now, Physicians Formula, I'm kind of shocked, but they have a couple of products that I really like, you guys. I get spoiled that sometimes I see these luxury brands and then I gravitate towards them and I'm like, oh yeah, these are the best. But then I will occasionally find a drugstore product that I'm like, wow, this is really good. Physicians Formula is one that I've started to try a couple things and I'm like, for being at such an affordable price tag, they have really decent products. So this is what it looks like here. It is called Petal Glow, and the shade name is Petal Pink. We have our rose down below, and you can tell that this is going to be a blush light. So it is a blush with a bit of highlight in it, and you can kind of see that shimmer, but it's not too strong, which is really nice. This will actually move up here, and there's a mirror, and then you've got a little brush down below in here as your applicator. So you can take this with you if you want to on the go, and you've got your whole compact. So I'm just gonna do a swatch of this with my finger here instead of getting the brush out. But it's very soft, velvety formula, gorgeous color. We'll just do a swatch right across the top here. Look at that. So this has definitely got a touch of peach underneath of it, but it's very bronzy. So I do think I need to warm up a little bit before I can use this color. So once I get there, I think it's gonna be perfect on, but for right now, it is a little bit dark for me. Next item in the box is from Beauty for Certain, and this is number 27. It is a cream blush. So it is a full-size product, cruelty-free, and it says that it's vegan as well. So here is what our cream blush looks like. I love this color, you guys. This is a beautiful color. It is a great combination of cool and warm all in one, and I really feel like this is gonna blend out super well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick swatch here. Now, typically with your cream blushes, the heat in your finger will help to warm it up, and then you'll be able to pick up more pigment. So if you want this to be bolder, you can just add more to it, or you can blend it out and give you this really soft pink hue. Is that not gorgeous? Every once in a while, I will get something in the perfect shade, and I'm just so excited. Our third full-size product in here is from Project Lip. It's called the Plump and Fill, and the shade name is Chase. So this is our color. Again, beautiful color. I think they're really going into like the pinks and reds, you know, for February, but I just like it, period. I don't even care what it's for. I just like what they're doing right now. So this is our Plump and Fill Lip Crayon. Isn't that color gorgeous? Again, it's just perfect, you guys. Like the shades they're choosing are so nice and complimentary. Look at that. Just absolutely stunning. I also have an eyebrow pencil, and it is from Physicians Formula, none other. So it is supposed to be a medium brown shade. Brow pencils are so tough because if it's too dark, they can stand out a lot. But I do feel like you can kind of play around with the colors. Don't press as hard if you want it to be lighter. There is a spoolie on one end of this, but then on the other end will be that dark brown color. I can always use this to fill in. I gotta tell you guys, the other day I made the fatal error that I was dermaplaning my face and I was getting way too fast. And on this eyebrow over here, there is a nice little nick that I took out eyebrow hairs on. So that is where eyebrow pencils like this are going to come into play to fill in the oops that I did. And so this morning, that's what I was doing, was filling this in to actually give it a line, because it's a nice little C shape that I took right out of my eyebrows. Those dermaplaning razors are really sharp. All right, now let's check out this palette today. It is from Ace Beauty. Oh, she's pretty. I love the design on here. Flare Palette is the name of this one. Inside we do have a mirror, ooh, and it's actually got a little gold trim around it. And then down below, look at the shade. Look at this one, you guys, that sherbet. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love this palette. This is gorgeous. Okay, not at all what I thought we were going to get in this box. I thought this was going to be all like orange and reds. So at first I started to see that over here and I'm like, oh yeah. And then I'm like, wait, what? There's blues and greens and lime? So this is really pretty. I like that it's different. I don't have a color like this. With all the palettes that I have, I don't have anything like this. So I'm very drawn to that. I cannot wait to try this palette out. And this is why I say it's one of the best makeup subscription boxes, you guys. I have nothing but good things to say about it. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But that is everything inside of my Chic beauty box for February here today. I love everything. I love the colors that they went with here. The blush is just 100% perfect for me. It's like it was made for me, but I do feel like the lip liner is great. I think the highlight is gorgeous. The palette is stunning. We've got the eyebrow pencil, which is great. There's nothing in here that I don't like. I love that they're all full size, and I just love getting a box full of makeup. Truthfully, this exact box reminds me of BoxyCharm when it was early in its days and growing. I feel like this is on that same path. So honestly, I'm very pleased with this today, you guys. I'm very excited to share it with you. So if you're interested in this box, it is shipping now. You can customize your box with a few choices as well. And they also have a style quiz. So if you sign up using my link, go through all that info, you can get some of these same items as myself. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!